and there's going to be one place where we can meet. It's not Groomania. It's WrestleMania.
So if you want to face your WrestleMania, the answer is no.
I get a no? You both have something in common. You're both pussy!
Whoa, wait a minute, Christian.
Whoa, wait, what?
Whoa.
I told you, man, you are not worth my time.
Yeah, but yet again, you're the one who threatened me. I don't take threats very lightly.
Until I say something that you actually want to hear, you're gonna keep whining and bitching about fighting me at WrestleMania. You and I talk, confront each other, one-on-one. And if I have to kick your ass at WrestleMania, I'm not gonna regret it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna enjoy it. Kamikaze, good to see you. Now,
Good to see you too, Christian.
Now, obviously, things have really gotten a little out of hand between us. So,
Yeah, you're right. They have.
So, we're just gonna cut right to the chase here. I want to know why you're so obsessed with fighting me.
Well, let's put it this way. I told you before, I don't take threats lightly. Right? I'll accept the fact that at Infinity War you made a joke. Right? I'll accept that. But at the end of the Royal Rumble Sins video, you took it too far, man. You know. So if you threaten me, because I've been to war and I know what exactly it's like to have my life threatened. Just don't ever threaten me like that again. And like I said before to you, you beat me in the sins. You did a better job, right?
Are you only saying this now? Are you only saying I beat you in the sins now? Because from what I hear, you've been bragging for the longest time that you kicked my ass at that.
No, I didn't say anything about that. You think I may have said that, but I didn't. I openly admit, I said, yeah, Christian beat me at sinning. There's no question about it. You are the king of sinners. Just, I got no words to say other than you are the man when it comes to sinning.
Well, it's about time. And what I will also let you know is, in some ways, I gotta thank you, because you allowed me to realize that if I just stuck around and continued to just pretend to care, it would just cause me a lot more pain. So, if we get through this, if we put all this behind us, I'll make you an offer here. I'll allow you to join up and be one of the leading officers of my new empire. And we can rise to a great and glorious future, where we just don't care about what anybody else thinks anymore.
It sounds tempting, but the fact is that, remember, you're the one saying that the fans didn't help you get to that 100,000 subscriber mark where you got that silver play button. They did get you to where you were. Now, I'm not saying all of them. I am not saying all of them, because obviously you are right. You're 100% right. There are the ones that only want the Wrestling Sins videos. And then you have your empire that supports you no matter what, which is great. But obviously there's a diverse audience to where they want the sins and just Wrestling Sins, but you also do like the Try Not to Laugh Challenge, the movie Sins, and your Loser Lounge podcast, which, by the way, still, I am sorry that I got involved in that. I shouldn't have. That was something I shouldn't have done.
You're lucky. The one thing you're lucky of is that Heel Balor is a lot more forgiving than I am.
Yeah, so, like I said, I apologize for that. I should not have went that far.
Indeed.
So,
your obsession really has gotten to the point where it is just ticking me off.
Well, I kind of calmed down with it, but now, from what I've seen with your Instagram live videos, you've been bringing up, like, it seems like you've been hinting things at me. You've been saying things like, oh, I don't care what this guy says, or I don't give a crap what that guy thinks.
That's because I don't actually care. And it's actually thanks to you. So in my opinion, I think I gotta thank you for allowing me to finally see the light and understand that the people have been holding me down this whole time.
The people haven't been holding you down, man. They're the ones who got you there. Come on,
really?
Christian. I came on because you invited me on. Remember, I got the DMs to prove it. But you know what? Out of respect, I'm not gonna show that. But still, don't forget, the fans still got you to where you are today. And remember, I'm a fan too. I still am a fan. I've still watched your sin videos even after this whole altercation. Right?
All right.
And
well,
I don't want it to go any further. But remember, you push enough, then I got to retaliate. And I'm not saying you're pushing. I'm just saying you got to hear me out. All your fans matter. It's not just the ones who want other material besides the wrestling sins. That's what got you. That's what marked you. And I know that you want to go to different things, but still, they count too.
let me guess. You want me to put that hat back on my head? You want me to start saying, hey, be optimistic. That stuff really is good. I'm going to pretend that I care about all of you people. Want me to go back to that?
Isn't that something that you should wish for your fans to do, is to be optimistic and no matter what the situation
The
is?
people can live their life however way they want. I really don't care. Okay? Because they live their life. I'm not going to sit around and tell them how they should live their life. The whole time I was saying think optimistically, I was actually telling them how they should live their life, and I'm not doing that anymore. I ain't doing that anymore. I only care about what I want.
But don't you think that's kind of a sign of a good role model, is to say, hey, think optimistically for all sorts of situations, not just your empire, and it's not just
Oh, boy.
what's the word I'm looking for here? Keep it as their way of life. Think optimistically. Don't let all the negative stuff bring you down. Think high. Be positive about a situation. You're turning negative. You're completely going against optimism.
I'm going to be negative? I'm the one who's negative here, huh?
It's what you're showing.
Really? Just by finally admitting the truth, revealing my true intentions, being honest, that's called being negative?
Yes. You're completely showing negativity, man. That's not the Christian that I knew.
All right,
I don't know what this new Christian is, man, and I don't like it, but you really need to, check yourself, man. Seriously, you need to check yourself and realize, okay.
Okay, hold up. I should check myself, huh? No.
Yes.
No, not a chance in hell, man. You've actually allowed me to see the light. So I should be thanking you, and at the same time, you should be thanking me, as well as all these people should be thanking me, that I even do stuff for them anymore, despite their behaviors toward me. I can't take it. I'm not taking their crap anymore. I ain't taking their requests. I ain't taking any of it anymore. And now you're saying I have to get checked because I'm not who I once was? Well, good. I'm glad I'm not who I once was anymore. Because honestly, that was just boring the living hell out of me.
Okay, so let me bring this up. Let me bring this, and maybe this might knock some sense into you, figuratively, not literally. But if you didn't care what the fans think, why do you still do videos?
I do it because I like to show my creativity. No matter who likes it, no matter who dislikes it, I like to show what I can do.
Okay, point taken. But here's another thing. Why do Wrestling Sins videos if it pleases just your wrestling fans? Why do you do them anymore?
Look, what I do is none of your concern, all right? You just focus on what you have over at GTS Wrestling, over with your life, and I'll focus on mine. Does that sound good to you?
I have this going on right now, and this is just becoming a little too out of control. I've got my own things going on at GTS. I got my own things going on with Mrs. Kama and Little Kama. And we're going to WrestleMania, and I want to go there and have a good time. But really, look in the mirror. Look deep into the mirror and see, what have you become? And it's not...
I'll tell you what I've become. A much better version of what I used to be. A much better version of myself. I can finally look in the mirror and not hate what I look at. Back many years ago, through everything I went through in the past, I always looked at my reflection and I always wanted to vomit. Now, I look at myself and I finally see an honest person. That finally makes me smile, makes me feel more comfortable, and now I can finally live at peace. What's so hard for you to understand that?
It's not hard for me to understand. What's hard for me to understand is why it seems you're giving up on the fans that have gotten you to where you were. like I said, I understand that the fans that will stick with you through and through, just like with me. I have fans that will stick with me through and through. But you seem to be cutting out a majority of your fan base just because.
Okay, that's it. I've had enough. I've had enough of this. No more. I don't want to hear any more about how I'm, like, getting rid of my fans, like, turning my back against these people. I've had it. I'm not going through this anymore. Seriously, it's getting to the point where I don't even need your obsession anymore to want to kick your ass.
It just, to me, seems like someone needs to just knock some sense into you.
Oh, you want to knock some sense into me, huh?
I didn't say me. I said someone. And I'm not speaking and I'm not using any underlying tones or anything. Like, someone needs to smack some sense into you.
All right. Well, why don't you take a shot then, huh? Why don't you come take a shot at me then?
You want me to take a shot at you?
You know what? Screw it. Screw it. I changed my mind. Screw it. I changed my mind. I said no before, but honestly, you're just not going to let this go. You want to face me at WrestleMania? You got it.
Actually, if I got to do it to knock some sense into you and make you see the light of day and realize, you know, there's a lot of people who care about you and they actually do want to see the Wrestling Sins videos and other stuff, and you can't just leave them out like they're nothing, then I'll do it. I'll fight you. I'll fight you.
You
right
have
there,
no
in the
idea.
parking lot. In the parking lot. How about that? Right there in the parking lot, you and I, parking lot brawl.
Parking lot brawl. All right.
Yeah, how about
all right.
that?
All right.
How about
Well,
that?
you just gotta understand that you have absolutely no idea what you just signed on for. I have seen what you are capable of. I've watched GTS wrestling. I've seen what you can do. You and no one else has ever seen what I can do. So you are the one who's going into this clueless.
I like challenges. What can I say?
You know,
I'm a huge fan of challenges. So we'll
All right.
see. We'll see how this is.
oh, we definitely
You know
will
what?
see how this
The
is.
only thing there's like this just little bit of it's like kind of holding me back, and that's Mrs. Comma, Little Comma, because I don't want to fight in front of them. I don't want to.
Well, you said before you weren't afraid of challenges.
Oh, I'm not.
So here's my request to you. How about you bring your wife? Because I want to see the look in her eyes when she finally realizes what a truly broken, obsessed old man her husband truly is. And then maybe she'll settle for somebody who actually matters.
You're a dead man. You are a dead. Don't you ever if I'm woman like that ever again.
I'm the dead man, huh?
I will destroy you, Christian. Don't you ever bring her into bringing her into this ever.
Oh, we'll
Ever.
see. We'll see firsthand. Once everything is all said and done, when you're left lying on that asphalt, I'll stand right above you, and maybe she'll finally realize it. She'll understand everything, and maybe all the other guys, if anybody else is going to see this, maybe they'll realize that you should have stayed in retirement the first time. Because the upcoming retirement you're going to do, which will probably be like your 49th or 50th, I'm going to make sure it's permanent retirement!
I will end you forever, Christian.
I'd like to see you try.
I'll see you at WrestleMania.